Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri and Richerson.com. It is raining out. The weather is turning wet and cold. Hasn't started snowing yet, but that's next in the forecast, I believe. Especially since I've gone back to work for Domino's. This is unfortunate. Yeah. Nasty weather, wet weather. Luckily I'm not working tonight, so I don't have to deal with it tonight. But it may be, you know, next few nights. So I'm gonna have to figure something out because I don't actually have a good, I have an old Domino's jacket. I don't know whether it's gonna be acceptable, and it's a lightweight one. It's not a winter coat, so I'm not sure just what I'm gonna do. I may have to go at some point and go to like Walmart and get a long-sleeved shirt that I can wear under my work shirt to help out a little bit. Found out today repair is working Saturday. They're already falling behind and needing to work overtime on Saturday. So I've told them I will probably be in. I just haven't determined exactly what hours I'm going to be in. Because I am working tomorrow night, and I'm not sure just what time I will get out of Domino's. I'm the rush driver, so depending on how long the rush lasts, which it can last, you know, it can be over at 8 o'clock, it could be 9, it could be 10, you know, it varies. So it could be a fairly early night for me. I'm out, you know, can go home, get, you know, some rest before I come back in to work, repair. Or it could be a very late night, which means very little rest. And since I'm working Saturday night Domino's and working as a late driver, which means probably midnight, 1 o'clock, I could be a very, very tired puppy by the time I'm done. So, we're gonna see what happens. This could get interesting. If repair starts working every Saturday, I may have to change my thinking on hours at Domino's. But I don't know. In some ways, I'd rather, you know, I'd rather just work Domino's and not do the overtime working repair. I don't know. Better money here, but I don't know. And they've announced we have another down day coming up. They're shutting down for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. But it's an unpaid day, so I may wind up burning one of my floater days to get paid for it. But we'll see. It's towards the end of the month, so end of next month, January. It is still December, so but we'll see. It's a tentative date at this point. It could always change. Plus, it's very possible that repair will be working that day, so I might, you know, just come in and work for repair that day. I don't know. We'll see. But I think that's going to do it for today. So please subscribe, help us out. We are still trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. We are making progress. It's slow, but we are making some progress. Thank you to all of you that are subscribing already. Give us thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. We will see you again tomorrow, and have a great evening.